Right, right. Hi, I'm Ebony,
I'm Dylan.
I'm Jared.
and Cody's right over there, and we are going to demonstrate Newton's laws of motion. Action.
So Newton has three laws of motion, and I'm going to demonstrate the first one, which states that an object at rest stays at rest unless a force is applied to it. So this, which is just cotton twine, is just sitting here at rest. Nothing is touching it. The only force acting on it right now is gravity, but it won't move it because there's an object underneath it. But it's going to stay at rest unless I apply a force to it. So there we go. And then the second part of that law is a motion, or an object in motion stays in motion until a force acts upon it. So I'm going to roll this marble, and it's going to hit the computer, and that's the force. I would have kept rolling for a little longer if the computer wasn't there, and that's the first law of motion. Yep.
Action.
Alright, so Newton's second law of motion is about acceleration, and acceleration is determined by mass and force. So this cotton twine has more mass than this marble. It's physically bigger and it's visually bigger. And if I apply the same force to both of these objects, the one with more mass is going to have less acceleration, and this is going to have more acceleration. I'm going to demonstrate that now. So if I hit this cotton twine, the speed it just rolled off the table is its acceleration. And I'm going to hit the marble with relatively the same force, and it's going to probably accelerate faster. And that's Newton's second law. Alright, so Newton's third law states that for every action there's an opposite and equal reaction, meaning I can only punch this balloon as hard as the balloon can hit my fist, and I can only punch Jared in the face as hard as his face can punch my hand. And it works for objects too. So if I rolled these two together, the marble had more acceleration going that way, but the same force was applied to both objects. So the amount of force the cotton twine applied on the marble was the same amount of force that the marble applied on the cotton twine. And same thing goes for like anything. This bread, if I punch the bread is literally applying the same force that I hit it with to my hand. And that's Newton's third law of motion. This is our closure video about the laws of motion. Hope you guys enjoyed the demonstration. You guys can say what you need. I'm Dylan.
I'm Ebony, and the purpose of this video is to demonstrate the importance of Newton's three laws. If we didn't know these laws, we wouldn't know the force of gravity, or why we stand on Earth, or the acceleration of stuff.
Emily recorded all the videos. Jarrett was in the third law of motion video, and that's all we got for you.
Alrighty, peace.